Hello, it's Doc for the ReadySetCrypto OMNIA newsletter market update for Wednesday, the 8th of July. I'm recording this about 5 hours before the end of the trading day in crypto terms as we start to create a new candlestick. So today, so far, we have just about across the board positive results. And actually, as we look at Bitcoin up about 1.8%, it's the lightweight of the bunch, and we can see this in terms of the Bitcoin dominance continues to drop down. Feels like 2017 all over again, even for just a couple of days. All right, let's go back up to the top of the list, look at the top 10, see what they're doing. Love this pattern on Ethereum. I have loved this pattern on Ethereum for the past several weeks. This is very constructive consolidation. This is working on a much higher time frame consolidation. You can see that this weekly chart is starting to build up the energy. What we've got to see the price do is get above 250 first of all, and then 300, and then we've got something going here. Now, if we look at this on the monthly chart for Ethereum, we can see that this has been a really nasty period. But if we can see the weekly chart put in higher highs and higher lows, then this will end up being a monthly swing higher, and getting above 300 would be a great start for Ethereum. Ripple, can you believe it? I mean, I was just, ripping Ripple about 3 days ago saying, look, it's just, bury it, it's dead. And we are starting to see trading above 20 cents. Now, it needs to get above 21, and ultimately it needs to get above 23. We used to have 30 cents as the standard for Ripple, but we'll take what we can get at this point. Litecoin also coming up a little bit, not as strong as Ripple. Bitcoin Cash hasn't looked all that good, right? There's better assets out there. EOS, Dash, Ethereum Classic has been, getting there, but still not as good as standard Ethereum. Tezos has been good. It's just playing a little bit of catch up. It's not breaking out from any kind of series of strength. Stellar Lumens today has been very strong. And if we look at this on a larger time frame chart, we can see that this has been nasty period. But if we can see this consolidate in this area and build up a tremendous amount of energy, then this could be the beginning of a move up to perhaps up to 14 cents or so, which would be a good start for that. Chainlink continues to blow everybody's expectations away. That's a weekly chart. Very strong week, 3 days in a row from the ascending triangle pattern that I pointed out to you over the weekend. And that's not the biggest of the day. The biggest of the day goes to 0x, up almost 12% today, and breaking above that important pattern, which is about 42 cents. So that is all good. Basic attention token, very constructive pattern, not really breaking out today. Other people are pulling the oxygen out of the room. Atom has been super strong lately, up over 3.4 versus US dollar. Zcash has been good, very constructive pattern. Rep continues to just grind away to the upside. OXT, not so good. Algo, getting there. Bitcoin SV, good start 2 days ago. Kyber Network was the rock star last week. This week is doing exactly what it should be doing in consolidation, building up that energy. If we look at this on a weekly chart, we can see that this has been very constructive. This is one of the best trending coins that we've seen in a long time, like since 3 years ago. Here's Neo. Neo's not doing much of anything on the weekly chart. Going to the daily chart, looks a little bit better. We'll see if we can get something going with that. So the rest are pretty much the same. We can go to our swing trade chart. The one that we've been following the most lately has been Ocean. This one continues to do well. Today is a high wave candle, a lot of range, very little real body to that. Now, what really surprises me about today's strength, or the strength over the last couple of days, is that the overall market has been relatively benign. Directionless, has been in a consolidation pattern really since the beginning of June. For about the last month has been going nowhere, and we can see why, because of the exhaustion here. But now the energy's built up and it's got nowhere to go. Is this going to just be the pattern for the next 3 months as it goes into election season, or is crypto going to lead the financial markets as it did in 2017? We'll keep watching. We'll be here. Thanks for listening, folks. We'll see you tomorrow.